Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. I'm Jason. So today we are talking about in-wall APs. Alright, so the latest in-wall AP from Ubiquiti for Unified is the U6 Enterprise in-wall. Alright, so one of the key advantages of this is actually the 2.5 GB LAN port. Okay, and you have to be very careful about the PoE. Alright, so for the U6 Enterprise in-wall, it's using Wi-Fi 6E. Okay, so if your country allows for Wi-Fi 6E, the U6 Enterprise in-wall will be a good choice. The LAN port is supporting up to 2.5 GB. So the supporting switch for this particular model will be the USW Enterprise 24-PoE, okay, or the Enterprise-48 PoE. And you use the 10G uplink to the UDM Pro or the UDM SE. Okay, so let's open up the unit and take a look at the size and also what comes with it. Okay, so let me see. Okay, right, so this is the first time I am looking at this unit. Yes, I may have sold quite a couple of them, but I have not really seen the actual unit, and this is the first time we are doing an unboxing of it. Right, so imagine the size of my hand. Okay, I'm holding this. This is the U6 Enterprise in-wall. It can still fit a standard 88 by 88 bracket, but I'll show you later. So this is the PoE input. It requires minimally PoE plus. If you expect it to do any PD, you need at least PoE plus. Okay, so be very careful about that. You have the startup guide and of course the mounting bracket. Right, it's made of cast iron. Right, so these are the two holes where you will mount it to your bracket. Okay, I'm going to leave it here. Other than that, we have the usual 4 screws that you get in all U6 in-walls and all the in-wall units, the declaration, the key. Okay, so now some of you may want to compare for size. This is a U6 AC in-wall. All right, this is the U6 Enterprise. Okay, take note of the size difference. Okay, it's almost double. Okay, if you want the measurement for it, okay, it's 15 centimeters across. All right, so can you still mount it on a standard bracket where you have the AC in-wall or the U6 in-wall? Okay, yes, you can. All you have to do is just remove the two brackets, replace it with this, and that's it. Okay, it's just going to occupy extra space. So if you are planning to mount this, make sure that it's not immediately next to any other power source or data point. Okay, so be very careful about that. Other than that, of course, you have your PDs. Okay, all your PDs are all gigabits. Okay, so if you want to PD out one, it will be gigabit, and all the LAN ports are also gigabit. The only 2.5 is only on the connection here. All right, it can of course pump out 15 watts of PD, that's all, but you need to pump in at least PoE++, which is 60 watts. Okay, take note of that. Other than that, antenna wise, it has 4 dBi for 2.4 and 5.8 for the 5 gigahertz. Okay, so the range is definitely a lot wider. Capacity density is also a lot wider. Okay, it's a very good choice for those who are after high density in a very small area. Okay, so if you have any questions, you need to check out more stuff or any remarks or comments, please remember to leave it under the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.